Hi children, how are you? Here, let us discuss about first class English. Bittu says with Ammu. Bittu says with Ammu. Ammu and Bittu are talking together. What are they talking? See here. Ammu asks Bittu, will you stay with me in our house? Bittu says, yes. Who are there in your house? Ammu and Bittu are discussing. What are they discussing? Ammu asks to Bittu, are you with me? Are you with me in my house? Bittu says, oh yes, who are there in your family? Bittu asking to Ammu. Ammu, here, those are talking. First of all, will you stay with me? Ammu says, Bittu, yes, who are there in your family? Here, dog is seeing their conversation. What would Ammu says now? What would Ammu says now? Will you stay with me? Ammu says like only. Next, Squirrel says, what would Bittu say to Ammu? Yes, the squirrel is agreed to Ammu, but the squirrel is asked, who are there in your family? Ammu sing a song about her family. Here, this is my grandmother sitting in a chair. This is my grandmother sitting in a chair. This is my grandfather sitting on a stool. This is my grandfather sitting on a stool. This is my dear mother playing with my brother. This is my dear mother playing with my brother. This is my little brother sitting in her lap. This is my little brother sitting in her lap. Here, Ammu says a song to her family members. Who are these people? These are Ammu's family members. What is Ammu singing about her grandmother and mother? What is the singing? This is my grandmother sitting in a chair. This is my dear mother playing with my brother. The Ammu is saying about mother and grandmother. Okay, students, thank you for watching.